Hi, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working on health, and we are on chapter 5. Chapter 5 talks about the your body's covered, which is basically your skin. So we're gonna see a little bit of information on how many layers we have of skin in our body, and we are going to also learn what the purpose of it is. Why do we need it? So let's start over by the skin. Okay, so it says that the skin that we have in our body today is not the same skin that you had last year. So what that means, it means that it changes. As we grow, our skin grows. The skin is made of tiny parts that are called cells, and what cells do is that they make up our skin. The skin regulates the temperature of our body. It protects our body from injury. It helps us fight germs. It helps heal our cuts, helps remove waste from your body, stores water and excess energy, and it produces vitamin D. So all these things is some of the things that the skin um, help us do or achieve. Our outer skin is made up of 3 layers. The outer skin, or the epidermis, it has no blood vessels, and it's made up to 12 to 15 layers of cells. It varies on how thick it is because not all of our skin is the same thickness. Okay. Um, is giving us information about callus. Sometimes we have like a little rough part in our skin, like very rough. And what that is a callus. So it means that it's extra thick and it's a hard layer, and that's in the epidermis because it's our outer skin. And it develops when there's constant rubbing or pressure. So say that if you hold your pencil or your pen the same way and you actually like write a lot, sometimes you could get like a little callus on your finger or your hand on any part of where you're using it a lot. There's all this stuff that comes out in our skin, our blisters, and those are like very, very painful. And it's because of excessively rubbing that same spot all the time. So that causes a blister. The book explains to us how we could take care of the blister. Sometimes what they do is that if you disinfect a needle, you put it in alcohol, make sure that it's disinfected. You take it, you insert it on the blister with a needle. You press on the blister so that water could be eliminated and it could be removed. And once you drain it, you cover it with a bandage and you clean it, and that's how you could get rid of that blister. It says that to look out for signs of infection. So if you have that blister red, or is swollen, or it has pus, or it causes you a lot of pain, well, that could mean that it's very well infected. What consists of the color of our skin? So the color of our skin, we are given a color, and those are called pigments, are found in the lower part of the epidermis, and those are what gives us our skin color, the pigments. For those of us that are a little bit darker, the melanin gives the skin that brownish color, okay, when we have melanin. For homework, you are going to complete the anatomy worksheet that you should have on your folder, the worksheet number 5. You are going to reread page 64 and 66, which is basically what we went over this PowerPoint. And you are going to read page 67 and 69. You are going to do the chapter review, the questions on page 63, and you're going to work on section C and D. All that you're gonna do on your notebook paper. Make sure that you complete everything. Make sure that you read, take your time to reread all the information that we've been going through today. This is all for this section, and I will see you tomorrow. Thank you.